everybody, welcome back to my channel in another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm super happy to introduce you to the Duncan Messenger Sling. I am in love. I am usually not a backpack girl. This is actually a sling backpack, but I am absolutely in love. Let me show you some of the amazing details of this bag. So it's got quite a lot going on the front here. We have a zipper pocket that goes all the way across this length here. It's closed with two magnetic snaps right here, which open up to a slip pocket. And then it has a zip around pocket here. And inside here, we have a generous pocket and another slip pocket. On the back, it's quite simple. You have the sling back, so you can wear it either on your left or your right side, whichever you prefer. And then on the inside, fairly roomy. We have a zipper pocket on one side, lots of room in there, and a padded device compartment here for a laptop. It would be a smaller laptop or an iPad or what have you. Yeah, I'm actually thinking I might keep this one for myself. I am absolute love with it, and I have a bunch of travel coming up, and I think this would be an absolutely perfect travel bag to carry along my journeys. Anyways, if you would like one of these, if you're one of my clients and you would like one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below, and you can order these in your choices of fabrics and vinyls and colors and hardwares, etc. And if you are part of my bagmakers community, there is a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, catch you guys in the next one. Bye.